Hi there, I'm Alexander. I want to talk to you about this wig today. This is Terra and she is in the Amore collection. So what we're working with? Well, we're working with a bob with really soft kind of feathery bangs. She's got a nice kind of curl wave in there. This is really modern. This is really kind of, you know, where fashion is at the moment. It's not over curly, kind of could look natural. The beauty of this style, she's heat friendly. So if you wanted to go a bit more curly, you can. If you wanted to go straighter, of course you can. Now, love this piece, feels really light. The density itself, I'd say, is like medium to light. Great style. What do you guys think? This is Terra. Terra is a heat-friendly wig with an open wefted cap, a monofilament top and extended lace, and she has adjustable straps at the nape.